avocado pitas with spiced chickpeas. To make this dish, start with the pitas. Brush them with oil, cook in batches on a hot chargrill for 1 to 2 minutes or until lightly charred. Next, cook chorizo on the grill for a minute each side or until charred, then pop on a plate. Now for the spiced chickpeas. Combine chickpeas, paprika, cumin, coriander and oil in a bowl to coat. Dip them onto the grill and cook stirring as you go until heated through. Once cooked, put them in a bowl with the chorizo. For the creamy avocado, combine chopped avocado, lime juice and half the yogurt in a food processor. Season with salt and pepper, then process until the mixture is smooth. To serve, spread each pita evenly with creamy avocado. Top with sliced avocado, spoon over the spiced chickpea mixture and add another dollop of yogurt. Spoon over the pesto and serve with mint leaves and a drizzle of lemon juice. As well as these avocado pitas, enjoy spiced chickpeas in salad bowls and on grazing platters.